Welcome to this tutorial on how to use TradingView to see news. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to access news directly within the TradingView platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, being up to date with the latest news is crucial for making informed decisions. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. You can type in the name of the asset or market you're interested in. After you select your asset, you will be directed to its main page. On the right side of the chart area, you will see several tabs. Look for the News tab. Click on it to access all the latest news relevant to the asset you are viewing. In the News section, you will find a list of recent articles, press releases, and updates from various financial news sources. Take your time to scroll through this section and read the headlines that catch your eye. You can also filter news by relevance or date to find the most significant updates related to your trading strategy. Finally, remember to regularly check the News section as it can influence market behavior and price action. Staying informed will help you make better trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on using TradingView and improving your trading skills. Thank you for watching.